What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Hope all is going well. Today is finally the day for me to get rid of these OEM kind of scratched up taillights, get rid of all this chrome. I'm gonna be replacing them with these. These are the Sanooer LED sequential taillights. Full disclosure, they did send it to me for free for this video and review, but I have full rights, everything to say whatever I want to say about them. So they're not paying me for any of this stuff. They just sent me this for free for the review, install, and video. Super easy install. It should just be this and then a couple more screws down there, and then this whole thing should just pop off. We'll get these wired up and test them out, make sure they're good to go, and then pop them back in, reinstall them, and yeah, pretty straightforward. Just a few 10 millimeters, take them out. Like so. So from here, you're just going to take your lights. Just going to go ahead and take your lights, plug them in. Should all be pretty straightforward. Just plug them in the same way you would. One thing I do want to mention is when you put these in, you want to make sure that the black wire on that side matches up with the black and white up here. Same thing here, the black wire on the LED taillight side matches up with the black and white wire on this one, and then this one's kind of just a toss up. But if you don't wire it up specifically, if you're using this as an install guide, remember this, because I was confused. Usually if you don't put these on the right way, the lights just won't turn on. This one, I really don't like this, but it pops your fuse inside, their taillight fuse. So if you don't wire this up correctly, it will pop your taillight fuse. Take out the bulbs, plug them in, try not to mess anything up. So now that I got them all plugged in, I'm just gonna do some testing, make sure that they all work. Okay, so after a bunch of testing and stuff, finally got them all working. We're just gonna throw them in, install them, and then take off the plastic. I know everyone likes that part. I do. So now, getting into what everyone's been waiting for. Sick. So these are the running lights. Looks pretty good, pretty good. These are the sequential turn lights. Not bad, not bad at all. So that is the install of the new taillights, the new Sanooer taillights. They look pretty slick. Look way better than the OEM ones that I have sitting in my garage now. Only time will tell. These come in at around 250 bucks. That's around what other third-party taillights go for. Yeah, so only time will tell. See if it holds up to the test of time. I'll get back to you guys on a longer term review on these, but yeah, these look super nice. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns about these taillights, hit me up in the comment section. I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. If you like them, like I like them, hit that like button, of course. Helps out a lot. If you guys want to see more of the stuff that I'm doing to the rig, because there's a lot more stuff that I'm going to get done, hit that subscription button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.